Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very sorry what's going there in China, where all the Somali people and all the Netherlands people they see here in Amsterdam, they condemn what's going in China with the people for the human rights. That is unacceptable. Please and please, we want to make the court for in China for human rights. That is unbelievable. I never accept. Secondly, I am presenting for the all West in Africa people. They never accept what is going now for in China for the Muslim people, and the China they need for our country to make an investment. Not need. Stop. Please stop the violence for the all Muslim for the people. I'm from Somaliland, Abdulla in Soest, in Holland. Bye bye.